Yay! Capo's here to motivate us for the last round. It's an ab finisher. Ooh, so send all that energy into your abs now. Okay, we're gonna tuck the tailbone under, so create a long spine. And the lumbar spine is kissing softly the mat, so keep the abs active all the time. Stretch and bend the right leg. And bend, stretch, and bend. Yes. And stretch and bend. Yes, salty sweat. Yes, when couples giving me lots of kisses, then I know, ooh, the workout was good, the sweat was here. Last 4, stop it. 3, 2, we're gonna slow it down. So stretch, exhale, inhale, bend. Bring your fingertips behind your ears. Check the lumbar spine, still on the mat, as good as you can. This is option 1. If you want more, exhale, lift the left leg into tabletop crunch and bring the feet down. Left leg, tabletop, right leg long and down. Lift head and shoulder blades. Bring the feet down, up and down. You got it? Give me 8 more. 7. When you come up, look to the left knee. Last 4 and 3. 2 more, and then hold it high, and we're gonna lift the right leg up to the ceiling, cross to the right, and lower the leg down center, cross and lower down. So left shoulder is moving towards the right knee, cross and center. Keep going. Now we work for the obliques. And exhale. Left leg is still in the tabletop. Whew. Last 4 and 3. 2 more. Now hold it in that diagonal crunch, right leg up. We're gonna stretch and bend the left leg. There we go. Stretch and bend. Stretch and bend. Hold the diagonal crunch. Lift the shoulder blades a little bit higher. Last 4, 3. Keep the legs extended and pulse up for 8. Hop. 7. If it's too much, bring the left foot on the ground. Left shoulder towards the right knee. 4. And 3, 2, and 1. Relax in the center. Bring the feet on the mat again. Ooh. Tuck the tailbone under. Lumbar spine is kissing the mat. And then let's stretch the left leg and bend. Stretch and bend. Beautiful. Team, how are we doing? Stretch and bend. So, these are your last exercises. Come on. 4, 3, slow it down. So stretch, exhale. Inhale on the ground. Fingertips behind your ears, elbows nice and wide. You can stay here. Already a tough exercise. If you want more, right leg up into your tabletop, left leg long, and feet on the ground. Oh my gosh, abs are on fire. So come all the way up and all the way down. And it's a straight crunch, okay? Give me 4 more. So right knee above the heel, lower leg parallel to the ground, up. Next time, hold it high. I'm gonna lift the left leg up to the sky, rotate to the left, and lower down back to center. Rotate to the left, back to center, here we go. Twist, and center. Exhale, and inhale. Woo, come on, 4 more. And center. And 3, you're doing good. Right shoulder towards the left knee. 2. And with the last round, hold the diagonal crunch and stretch and bend the right leg. Go and stretch and bend and stretch and bend. Try to keep the elbows in the air. Try to keep the shoulder blades lifted. Nice. The last 8 and 7 and 6. 4, 3 and 2. Keep the legs extended and we pulse it up. Come on for 8. Too much, then bring the right foot on the ground. Point the left foot. 4. A little bit higher. 3. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Bring the head on the ground. The knees to the chest. And just breathe and enjoy. Maybe rock from side to side. Creating a little massage for your lower back. Bring back some softness into your abs. And enjoy your victory. Thanks for watching. If you like this workout, then let's take it to the next level together. Join our online studio and be part of our weekly live streams via Zoom. Get a real-time feedback on your exercises and connect with a community of amazing women. So let's create a workout routine that keeps you committed and motivated. Or continue with this free YouTube workout over here. See you there.